You wake up, check your phone, reply to messages, answer emails, start 5 tasks, switch between them all day, and somehow get nothing important done. But you still feel exhausted, like you just ran a mental marathon. So you tell yourself, at least I was busy. And that's the trap. Because being busy and being productive are not the same thing. In fact, being busy is often how your brain avoids doing the stuff that actually matters. This is the difference between motion and progress. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. The running example. Let's use one example the whole way through, revising for an exam. Because this is where most people accidentally choose busy over productive. Motion versus progress. Productivity is doing things that actually move you forward. Busyness is doing things that feel like work. For example, rewriting notes neatly feels productive, but it doesn't necessarily improve your understanding. Actually testing yourself does, but that feels harder, so your brain avoids it. The easy task trap. Your brain loves easy wins. Checking emails? Easy. Organizing your desk? Easy. Watching study tips videos? Very easy. These tasks give you a quick sense of progress, but they don't actually move the main goal forward. The important work. Real progress usually comes from a few difficult tasks. In our example, that's actually learning and remembering the material, which means practice questions, testing your memory, and struggling a bit. That's not fun, so your brain tries to replace it with easier tasks. Task switching. Another problem is switching between tasks constantly. Every time you switch, your brain has to reset. That reset takes energy and kills your focus. So even though you're busy, you're not actually getting deep work done. The productivity illusion. Busyness feels good because it looks like effort, and effort feels like progress. But they're not the same thing. You can spend hours working and still avoid the one thing that matters. The fix. So what actually works? Focus on fewer tasks. Pick the highest impact thing. Do it first, even if it's uncomfortable, especially if it's uncomfortable. The compound effect. One focused hour beats 5 distracted ones, and this adds up over time. Just like gym progress, small real improvements compound into big results. Rapid recap. Busyness feels productive, but it often means doing easy tasks. Real progress comes from hard work. Task switching kills focus. Focus creates results, and consistency builds momentum. So next time you say, I've been busy all day, ask yourself one question. Did I actually move forward or just stay in motion? Because your brain loves to stay busy, but your future only cares about progress.
Hey everyone, if you like this, smash that like button and subscribe to join the fun. Your support means everything. Thanks.